to import notebook files from SmartBoard software, if you go into MyViewBoard, you can use the companion app on your phone to sign in. Once this gets connected up here, if it doesn't automatically bring up the barcode, you can tap the little guy down here on the bottom and it will. Use the barcode and you can sign in through your Microsoft login. You can do the same thing with that Microsoft button. Now you can see I'm signed in as myself. And then under the magic toolbox, you can go to your OneDrive for Business if you already synced it up. If not, you can sync it up from the website. And then I'm going to go into where I put stuff, which I put it under MyViewBoard and import files. And there's the notebook file that I've pushed up to import. Just tap on that, it will automatically download it, convert it, and then bring up all the slides for that notebook file. And then from that point, you can just select individual slides or select them all, and then import. And then lastly, click on the landscape button and all your slides will import, and they'll be available there to migrate through them with the arrow keys or annotate over top of them and use it like you would any other slideshow.